What is going on, my stock market bulls and bears? I'm your host Terry, and welcome to my channel Buy the Dip. Guys, in today's video we're going to talk about that TRCH, that's right, that Torchlight Energy Resources. And man, this thing was banging today. Check that out, guys. Up 58% roughly. And right now the stock is looking like it's around $10.48 after hours. So this is truly crazy and exciting. And we're going to get into 11 things to keep our eye on for this whole dividend, the merger, and everything, guys. I hope you are ready for today's video. If you are, smash the thumbs up, hit the subscribe button, check out the links down below, and baby, let's get to the video. Alright, and here's this article here out on the investor place. TRCH Stock, 11 things Torchlight Energy investors need to know about the merger dividend. TRCH plans to pay its dividend on Friday. This was posted 6 hours ago by William White on the investor place. Here it is saying how Torchlight Energy is the stock on the rise after providing an update to investors about its merger plans with Metamaterial. Here's everything you need to know about the merger and what kind of dividend holders TRCH stock can expect. Starting off, it's worth noting that investors will have to be on record as holding TRCH stock starting on June 22nd. So that means you need to have these shares tomorrow, guys. That's right. Today, the 21st, you have to have these shares by the end of the close tomorrow. That is what that means. So if you don't have any and you're looking to be a part of this, pick them up before the close of tomorrow. Then also, they will also have to continue to hold those shares through June 24th to be eligible for the dividend. So if you buy them tomorrow, you have to hold them through the 24th. And our calendar here says the 24th is Thursday. So on the 25th, Friday, can you sell them in pre-market? Absolutely you can. If you want to do that, absolutely. Investors are wondering how much dividend will be paid out. Still don't have any concrete details. However, analysts are expecting to range anywhere between $1 per share and $20 per share. And here it says that's a massive range for a special dividend that investors will have to hold out for. Luckily, they won't have to wait long for the merger dividend. It is set to be paid out investors in TRCH stock on June 25th, guys, which is this Friday. That's right. So the dividend is possibly looking to be paid out this Friday by what this article here says. It is also worth pointing out that TRCH stock was also talked about a potential short squeeze target over the weekend. Those predictions are coming true as the company is seeing incredibly heavy trading off its shares today. As of the writing, more than 225 million shares of TRCH stocks have changed hands. That's a massive surge in activity compared to its daily average trading volume of about 16 million. So yeah, that is huge. And if we go here, guys, to the actual chart here on Robinhood, this kind of gives you the numbers of volume that was, in effect. And if you start here at these big candlesticks here at the beginning, here at 9:30 this morning, there was 10.3 million shares traded. And this is a 5-minute interval chart. And just at 9:35 a.m., 4.8 million shares. 9:40 was 8.7 million shares. At 9:45 was 7.9 million shares. And here's the big one, guys, the biggest candlestick of them all. At 9:50 a.m., 12.86 million shares were traded, and that's when the stock was $9.86. And just as you can see, these candlesticks all over 7 million, 5 million, 3 million, 2 million. A lot of these little candlesticks here are shy of a million, like 600 some thousand shares. Heavy volume. Now, of course, here you can see where the market goes after hours. It still has, considering after hours, not your everyday trader in a sense can be buying these shares after hours unless you're using Webull or something like that. But still, like a couple 100,000 shares are being traded. Now, I don't know how accurate these numbers are on Robinhood after hours, because the farthest it does go up to is 6 o'clock, and it doesn't really give you any data there. But I think it was good to point out here, I believe all this stuff during the trading day is probably very, very accurate, especially all this here in the beginning. But after you hit 4 o'clock, I'm not sure how accurate Robinhood is on those trading volumes. But definitely during the day, I do believe that, they are going to be good to go. And guys, if we go back here to the stock, it's sitting at $10.45 right now, and ended the regular day at $9.92. And in after hours, it has gone up a little bit, so that is truly insane. If we look back here, though, what is this, like an 1165? This thing hit after hours. Wow, it was up to 1165, sold back off to like 986 here, 977 I see. And sold down to 977 and shot back up to 1048. So guys, a couple key things out of this video I want you to keep in mind. Remember, you have to purchase shares tomorrow, and you have to hold them through the close of Thursday the 24th. So that way then you can sell them into pre-market on Friday. You do have that right. Now, we're going to go over what I think is going to happen. Now, whether I'm right or wrong, I don't know. I think everyone is going to be buying and holding tomorrow. Tomorrow is going to be crazy. This could go up to $12, $15 with all the buying volume. Maybe shorts are covering positions. Who knows? Maybe the shorts will just keep paying, the interest, because they're feeling that if we hold out through this dividend thing and maybe they pay the dividend, maybe it won't be too bad. Maybe people will sell out come Friday in the beginning of next week, so they may weather the storm of the craziness this week. Or it could just blow up and they pay the dividend, they buy the shares and cover their shorts. But I'm expecting there's going to be a huge sell-off come Friday or next week. Now, I don't know if that's going to happen. It's just kind of my prediction. So, guys, be very careful if you're investing in this. There's a lot of excitement. I don't want anyone getting left, as they say, holding the bag on this one. So, make sure you're okay with investing what you're okay losing if you're not putting a trailing stop loss on this. So that way you can lock in gains. Guys, don't forget, investing is all about capturing gains. And I just want you guys to remember that. Capture your gains. Don't be afraid to take some off the table. So, guys, if you appreciate this video, hit that thumbs up, hit that subscribe button, and I'll catch you all in the next video. Peace.